Oh, there's heaps of that blue. If you could pick any of these colours, which would it be? I reckon you got that sky blue. You reckon? What colour would you paint it? If you could pick any of these, it's a BMW E36, dedicated drift car. Yeah. If you could pick any of these colours, which would it be? I'm standing here like, fuck, I don't know. I reckon you got that sky blue. You reckon? It looks like the Drift E36 is going to be sky blue. Alright, cheers man. Appreciate your help. Yeah, the Beamer is going to be, this colour. Damn, bro. It's going to look hectic, I reckon. Yeah, alright, I got a lot of work to do. And then we need to start painting. Shit. Alright, we've got the boys. We've got Zano back, old diff welder. Benny's just fucked off somewhere. We're masking up the car right now. We got the headlights out, the indicators out, all these crappy plastic trims are out. So pretty much just masking up all of the glass, and tail lights are out, all this shit. So yeah, but it's gonna be a bit of overspray. That's all right. Go check out Zane's channel. He's just got his his beams in his Corona. I reckon you get mad views if you did that, eh? Engine swap shit goes off. But yeah, so this is the color it was gonna be, cream. But we're not doing cream anymore. Where's Benny? I need my dad, Benny. But sooner or later we're gonna roll it out onto the and we're gonna hit it with some paint. What is going on out there? This thing is so angry. Yeah, I know. If you hit it, yeah, like full belt, it'll take it to metal. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Imagine holding a camera so you get out of work.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I do this shit, man. So I don't have to do any work.
Oh, nice. Yeah, nice. Nice colour, though. No. Oh, beautiful. Half of it's gone down there.
Alrighty, here it is, the E36 M3. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is sick. Oh, why does it actually look good though? I'm so glad we painted this colour and not fucking cream.
Yeah, I like this better.
This looks sick. Actually looks good on camera, but.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah.
That's excellent.
Yeah. Thanks to the bloke that told me to paint it this colour. Oh. Where's the paint? Yep, brought to you by Australian Export Interior Enamel. Oh, sick. Thanks to Benny. Holy shit. Thanks to Zane. Thanks, boys. Holy shit. Whose car are we painting next? Damn.
Oh, no, we probably line mine up again soon.
This is fucking sick.
I reckon we should spray yours this time. Yeah. Should have a matching pair. E34, E36.
Now we'll just let it dry for like a month and then we'll put the trims back in. Fuck yeah. Alrighty, well that is it for this video. Boys, painted the E36, looks hectic. Oh yeah, gotta get that off. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you liked, smash the thumbs up button. I don't think we'll be painting another car with fucking spray cans ever again. Unless one of these two guys are crazy enough to do it. But alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, see ya, cheers.